Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Amazon Insights. I'm your host today. In this episode, we're going to dive into a story that highlights the impact of e-commerce on retailers and the overall earnings landscape. According to Zacks Director of Research Sheraz Mayan, total Q1 earnings for the 477 and P500 members that have reported results are up plus 11.4% from the same period last year, driven by plus 4.4% higher revenues. Now, let's take a closer look at how this translates to the retail sector. Amazon is leading the way with its substantial contribution of plus 11.2% earnings growth. But once we exclude Amazon's numbers, the group's earnings growth drops to minus 5%. This trend is not unique to Q1, as analysts expect plus 4.1% earnings growth for the year, down from plus 22.7% in 2024. Amazon Insights has been tracking this phenomenon, and it's clear that online vendors like Amazon are struggling to beat EPS and revenue estimates. However, despite these challenges, retailers are still relying on e-commerce sales to drive their business. In fact, retail sector margins outside of Amazon have been on a downtrend since 2021, with this year's margins expected to serve as a bottom and start recovering going forward. As we head into Q2, the start of the quarter coincided with heightened tariff uncertainty following the punitive April 2nd tariff announcements. While the onset of the announced levies was eventually delayed for 3 months, the issue has understandably weighed heavily on estimates for the current and coming quarters. The expectation at present is for Q2 earnings for the S&P 500 index to increase by plus 5.5% from the same period last year on plus 3.8% higher revenues. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Zacks Investment Research has been tracking the performance of stocks with a Zacks rank equals 1, which includes Amazon. These stocks have historically outperformed the S&P 500, with returns from hypothetical portfolios consisting of these stocks being plus 48.4% over the past decade. In conclusion, while retailers are facing challenges in beating EPS and revenue estimates, e-commerce continues to drive growth for companies like Amazon. As we look ahead to Q2, it's essential to keep an eye on the tariff uncertainty and its impact on earnings expectations. At Amazon Insights, we'll continue to monitor these trends and provide you with the latest insights and analysis on how they might affect your investments.